Hello sir, my name is Mohan Kishore and my roll number is 20CS30014. I am from section 14. I want to disassemble and reassemble an extension cord as a part of my DIY assignment 3. It would be difficult to find a household that isn't using at least one extension cord. An extension cord is basically a length of flexible electrical power cable. See the long wire coming from it. It has a plug on one end and one or more sockets on the other end. Here it has 3 sockets. One of the main uses of this extension cord is you can connect multiple devices to this board. Another important use is that you can provide power for the devices with cables that cannot reach to the nearby power outlets. This is possible because of this 4-meter long wire which is coiled inside this case. This case is made up of ABS plastic. The full form of ABS is acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. It is an opaque thermoplastic amorphous polymer. Here it is written as heavy duty. Heavy duty extension cords are specially designed for outdoor use and can be used safely. Here it is mentioned that it can withstand up to 6 amperes and 240 volts AC input only, and also it is manufactured by a company called Maru. Here it has written that it has 2-pin 4-meter long cable. This cable has high grade copper wires which are insulated by the rubber outside. That means this material is made up of rubber. Before disassembling this board, I am going to show you that it is working. See, my phone is getting charged when this extension cord is plugged into power outlet. This proves that extension cord is working properly. Now I am going to disassemble it. This part is used to coil the long 4-meter wire inside this extension cord. It is made up of plastic. You can see here the long 4 meters wire. This is the circuital arrangement inside the extension cord. This white color socket board is made up of PVC plastic. The pins and the connections here are made up of bronze, and this insulating material is made up of nylon. This grey colored wire connects the circuit to the main supply. You can see that 2 wires are coming from this. This wire which is connected to switch is called phase wire, and this wire is called neutral wire. The phase wire is connected to one of the pins of the 3 sockets, and also the neutral wire is connected to other pins of the 3 sockets. When the switch is off, the circuit breaks here. When the switch is turned on, the current flows through the phase wire and the 3 sockets are powered simultaneously, so that we can plug in 3 devices at a time to this board. Here there is an LED which glows when the switch is turned on, and the pin which is in the middle is for the earthing purpose. Now let me reassemble this. See, we can coil this wire by using this mechanism. See, after reassembling also, my phone is getting charged. This proves that it is working. So that's all from my side. Thank you for listening with patience.